Welcome to our channel. Master English Academy. Your way to master your English. Listen and repeat after me slowly. Listen and repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, do you speak English? Excuse me, do you speak English? Excuse me, do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I need help. I need help. I need help. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way to the market? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way to the market? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way to the market? Sure, I can help you with that. Sure, I can help you with that. Sure, I can help you with that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. No problem. No problem. So, how do I get to the market? So, how do I get to the market? So, how do I get to the market? You can take this direction to the traffic light and turn right. You can take this direction to the traffic light and turn right. You can take this direction to the traffic light and turn right. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. I should leave now. I should leave now. Please don't interfere. Please don't interfere. Why should I come early? Why should I come early? Can I see you again? Can I see you again? May I take you home? May I take you home? Could I have your advice? Could I have your advice? Certainly, what about? Certainly, what about? Do what you will. Do what you will. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. He was not invited. He was not invited. He's getting better. He's getting better. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. I didn't forget. I didn't forget. He finally arrived. He finally arrived. I'm still here. I'm still here. We've already met. We've already met. Perhaps that's true. Perhaps that's true. What are you saying? What are you saying? Whatever you say. Whatever you say. He remained silent. He remained silent. He's ready now. He's ready now. He was busy. He was busy. He is working hard. He is working hard. I'll wait outside. I'll wait outside. He's a smart boy. He's a smart boy. It's happened before. It's happened before. He doesn't listen. He doesn't listen. I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. Keep your promises. Keep your promises. What's the meaning of this word? What's the meaning of this word? I'll stay here until you return. I'll stay here until you return. Don't forget that we have homework. Don't forget that we have homework. Do you know anyone here? Do you know anyone here? I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate. I need a rest. I need a rest.